Hey guys, it's Joni. I've got 3 e-liquids I'm going to review for you. They'll be split up into 3 separate videos. They are from Bird E-Juice. This first one is Carrot Cake. I've got to tell you guys, I have vaped some of this and it is amazing. So let me take the top of my Twisted Messes off here. Drip a little bit more on. It's absolutely wonderful. Alright, I've got some on there and I'm going to be using my Twisted Messes. And in case you're wondering what mod I am using, I am using my custom box mod made by Killer Box Mods. A great friend of mine made it for me. It is a unregulated parallel and I absolutely love it. I will give you links to his web or his Facebook page, and you can contact him if you would like a mod made. But this is the Bird E-Juice Carrot Cake. So let's have a vape. I've got to say, guys, right off, you get the cream cheese icing. And then it mixes with the absolute great taste of a carrot cake. Absolutely moist, just like biting into a moist carrot cake with that cream cheese icing. But you get that cream cheese icing throughout. You get the carrot cake on the end of the inhale and throughout the exhale along with the cream cheese icing. Taste is subjective, guys. What I may like, you may not. What you may like, I may not like. This is designed for high temperatures, but you can vape it at a lower temperature. Their e-liquid is wonderful, guys. And I do have 2 more that I will be reviewing. They do have all the warnings on here, all the ingredients. Just absolutely wonderful, guys. I've got to tell you, if you are not a member of CASAA or SFATA or Vape Militia, guys, it only takes a couple seconds to sign up for CASAA. Follow those calls to action. We've got a fight on our hands. We could lose our right to vape. You must get your voice heard. Send those emails. Make those phone calls, send those letters, write your story up and your opinion up. Do it professionally. You don't have to be smart about it. Just tell them honestly what your position is. And that you would like to keep your right to vape because it is a safer alternative. Vaping has saved my life. And I've got to say, you know, put it in that Word document and send it every day. It's important, guys. One person can't do it alone. Yes, we got people out there fighting for us, but they need help. And each one of us can help by sending emails, letters, and making phone calls. It only takes a few minutes a day, guys. So please make those phone calls, send those emails, and send those letters. I'm going to take another vape of this, and then I will be back with another flavor from Bird E Juice.